So now on the back, we have a couple of attacks we can do. One of them, one very, very traditional attack in Jiu-Jitsu, one of the most famous attack in Jiu-Jitsu is the rear naked choke. So what I will do here is I will try to catch the neck of my opponent, moving my arm all the way around his neck. Okay? The grip is, we know, as seat belt, right? It's really important to keep my first hand, the hand that crosses over the shoulder under the second hand. In case he tries to break the locker, my choke hand is always free. If you put that on top, he's gonna block it and then I can't choke, right? So from here, when I feel the opportunities coming, I move my arm all the way around and then I will start the connection here. My second hand is gonna come from underneath the arm through this way. I will put at the same time the hand behind the head and I hold my out biceps. Okay, so I will transit that way. Try to put the back of your hand, is easier, then you connect. So I touch my elbow back on his shoulder and now I do two movements. I don't need to pull the guy back. I will squeeze my elbows together and I bring my shoulders through my ears. And then the choke comes really easy. So what happened here is when you have the neck of the guy, we have the neck around my arms, right? So when I squeeze my elbow, the space becomes smaller and I will be tightening up, pulling that up.